Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss 15 general knowledge GK questions. Instruction: please watch the video till end without skipping it. And a request: if you find my channel interesting, useful and informative, please like, share and subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. Question number 1: who proposed the draft of the preamble before the Constituent Assembly's drafting committee? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. B.N. Rao, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. So the answer is D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Explanation: Jawaharlal Nehru proposed the draft of the preamble through the Objectives Resolution, which laid the foundation for the Constituent's philosophy. Question number 2: on what basis were all decisions taken in the Constituent Assembly? A. Unity and integrity, B. Majority, C. Consensus, D. Consent and accommodation. So the answer is C. Consensus. The Constituent Assembly aimed for consensus to ensure all members felt represented even when compromises were needed. Question number 3: who presented the Objectives Resolution in the Constituent Assembly? A. Sachinanda Sinha, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Acharya J.B. Kripalani. So the answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru presented the Objectives Resolution on 13 December 1946, outlining the guiding principles of the Constitution. Question number 4: who was the president of the Union Power Committee of the Indian Constituent Assembly? A. Sardar Patel, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru led the Union Power Committee, which addressed the distribution of powers between the Union and states. Question number 5: the Indian Constitution was adopted by A. the Constituent Assembly, B. the Governor General, C. the British Parliament, D. the Indian Parliament. The answer is A. the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949, marking the end of the drafting process. Question number 6: the proposal to give India a constitution was passed by the Constituent Assembly on A. January 22, 1946, B. January 22, 1947, C. January 20, 1947, D. July 26, 1946. So the answer is B. January 22, 1947. The proposal was passed on 22 January 1947, reaffirming the Objectives Resolution and principles for constitution making. Question number 7: who was the chairman of the ADHOC Committee on National Flag in the Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. K. M. Munshi, C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. So the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad chaired this committee, which finalized the decision of the Indian national flag. Question number 8: the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in A. July 1947, B. July 1950, C. August 1947, D. August 1947. Answer is A. July 1947. The Constituent Assembly adopted the flag's design in July 1947 prior to independence. Question number 9. The Indian Constituent Assembly adopted the design of the Indian national flag on A. 23rd August 1947, B. 13th September 1947, C. 15th August 1947, D. 22nd July 1947. The answer is D. On 22 July 1947, the Assembly adopted the tricolor as the national flag with Ashok Chakra at the center. Question number 10. On which day did the Constituent Assembly finally pass the Constitution? A. 26 November 1949, B. 15th December 1948, C. 26th November 1949, D. 26th January 1950. The answer is A. 26 November 1949. The Constitution was passed on 26 November 1949 while it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Question number 11. On which day did the Constituent Assembly meet for the last time? A. 26th November 1949, B. 5th December 1949, C. 24th January 1950, D. 25th January 1950. So the answer is C. The Assembly meet for the last time for 24 January 1950 to sign the Constitution. Question number 12. How many members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution? A. 262, B. 284, C. 287, D. 289. So the answer is a total of 284 members signed the Constitution on 24 January 1950. Question number 13. How many articles and schedules were there in the final Constitution passed by the Constituent Assembly? A. 375 articles, 7 schedules, B. 387 articles, 7 schedules, C. 395 articles, 8 schedules, D. 395 articles, 10 schedules. So the answer is C. The original Constitution had 395 articles and 8 schedules which have since been amended multiple times. Question number 14. How much time did the Constituent Assembly take to create the complete Indian Constitution? A. 2 years 7 months 38 A. 2 years 7 months 23 days, B. 2 years 11 months 18 days, C. 2 years 11 months 14 days, D. 2 years 11 months 23 days. The answer is B. The drafting process lasted 2 years 11 months and 18 days from December 1946 to November 1949. Okay. Question number 15. From question number 15, from which day did the Constituent Assembly become the interim parliament? A. 24th January 1950, B. 25th January 1950, C. 26th January 1950, D. 18th February 1950. The answer is A. On 24th January 1950, the Assembly transitioned into an interim parliament for the Republic of India. Question number 26. On which day Did the Constituent Assembly become a provisional parliament? 24th January 1950, B 25th January 1950, C 26th January 1950, D 18th February 1950. Answer is C. The Assembly became the provisional parliament on 26th January 1950, marking the adoption of the Republic. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe GK for GC.